Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. Mookie's sporting her new poncho I got from Mexico. She is a Chihuahua and that is her native land, so I decided to get her a nice poncho. We got a great episode coming up. We're going to get some takeout and we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. First up, we're going to do a little bit of a shout out. So I'm going to give a shout out to John over at Jondot Drinks. He has an amazing channel and he's a Canadian paisano of mine. Make sure you check him out. He's very knowledgeable about the history of drinks and drink recipes. Great guy, and he's just up the road in Edmonton, Alberta. So check out Jondot Drinks. Get a little bit of takeout. I think we're going to go to Harvey's, which is, I believe, a Canadian franchise. And we'll take it back to the Tiki Bar, have a little treat, and then we're heading out to the lake for Appies with Chappy by the lake. So check it out. All right, we're at Harvey's. Mookie, what do you think we should get? Should we get the chicken sandwich or the chicken burger? I've been watching those commercials, Mookie, and they look very good, but those commercials always get me. It always looks way better on TV. What do you think, Mookie? Mookie, you need to weigh in here. What are we gonna get? Huh? All right, my chicken has been marinating overnight in that jerk seasoning. Sorry, that jerk marinade. Chicken's been marinating overnight in the jerk marinade. And we'll just get it into the smoker. Normally Jamaican jerk chicken in Jamaica, they use pimento wood. I'm going to use a little bit of cherry wood today. So the pucks just go down there. Now with poultry, you don't have to smoke it that long. We just want to give it a little kiss. So we'll say an hour. I won't worry too much about the internal temperature because we'll get it on the grill before we make my Jamaican jerk sushi. All right, I got my rice cooker here, and I have some sushi rice. I happen to be an expert on determining rice types. Just kidding. It actually says sushi rice. All right, I'm going to do 1.5 cups of water to every 1 cup of rice. I'll just push it down, and then when the button pops, you know it's done. All right, I got my rice and some sushi seasoning. You want to add the sushi seasoning to the rice while it's still hot. And then I'm going to make little tiny sushi footballs. And then I'm just going to wet my hand with a little water. And I'm going to make little sort of sushi footballs. You don't want to pack it too tight, but you want to get it enough so it maintains its form. Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So today I have some Jamaican jerk smoked chicken sushi, and to go with that I'm going to make a Licor 43 Cuba Libre. So I got a big old glass of ice, and for the Licor 43 Cuba Libre I need some Licor 43, so I'll give it a good whack of that. And then Cuba Libre usually has fresh lime. I just got some Mexican lime soda and some cola. And then I have a lime wedge for garnish. And that's a Licor 43 Cuba Libre to go with my smoked Jamaican jerk chicken sushi. Thanks for joining me on Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. We're saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.